Okay, so this little portable blender kinda become my go-to for smoothie. Best part, it's USB-C rechargeable, so I charge it once and it gets my thought a bunch of smoothie before it needs more juice. There are an LED on the front that shows the battery level, so no surprise mid blend. It's got 6 blends and real power. So frozen fruit and ice, no problem. Comes out smoothie, zero chunks, chill-ups, the easy part to just drop in some water and splash of soap, blend for a few seconds, rinse done. And it's compact, fits right in my gym bag. Give Dev give me this as a gift, and honestly, I use it way more than I expected.